Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss what is uh, Windows, how we handle the multiple windows in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so before going to start, if you are coming first time on my YouTube channel or you have not subscribed the channel, so subscribe it and click on the bell icon. So when I upload any new video, you will get the notification. Now let's start. What is the Windows multiple windows concept in Selenium WebDriver? Okay, so during the navigation of the applications, sometime you notice when we click on any particular buttons, links, we will get new window or the new tabs in same browser. Okay, so these are concept of windows, multiple windows. So when we are talking about the Selenium WebDriver will always search the locators on the current page, current DOM structure. If I click on button and this will open the new window, Selenium will not search the locator automatically on the new window also. This will always search the locator on the current window. Similar type, if the it's after clicking we are getting the new tab, the window is opening in the new tab, then also we need to switch on that particular window, then we can do some verifications or any things we need if we want to perform any actions, we want to verify some value, so we need to first switch on that window, then we can perform the actions or verification. Okay, so this is the page, uh, and here if I click on this, then we will get the new window. Okay, now how we handle this window, let me show in some Java example. So first of all, these statements are launching the Chrome browser, then navigating the URL. Okay, now to open the new window, I need to click on the button. Okay, that link. So let me capture the locators of this element. Okay, so if I inspect this, we are getting here class as well as the ID. So I will give the preference to ID. Here ID, then calling dot click method. So when I click on this button, then this will open the new window. Okay, now I need to switch on here. So if you can see I click on this inspect, so this using this inspect I can get the element of this page, I can navigate on this page. But if we want to on this page, we want to get the locator of this page, we need to click on this, means we can inspect on this one. So this different window, and then let me capture the locator of this text. Okay, so this is the pop-up text locator. So next, I need to retrieve, I wanted to retrieve the value of this. Then we can use the driver.find element by.id, then passing here the ID. And then calling the get text function. This will return us the value, get the value from the page, and we can store in a variable text. So now I'm going to run this. Let me show what will happen here. So this open the browser as well as the click on the button, and I am getting here the new pop-up, but you can see here I am getting the error. No such element exception. What is the element? Element is pop-up text. This element is not present on the window. Why this is throwing the error? Because this driver is searching the locators on the parent window, this window. This is not looking the locator on this browser. Okay. So when we run the Selenium test, so this will always check the locator in the current DOM structure. Current DOM structure means current window. This will not go automatically and check the locators on the new open window. So what we need to do here, we need to switch on that window and then we can get the locator. Okay, so how we switch? So Selenium WebDriver provide two functions. One is dot get window handle. Okay, so this will return as the current window ID. So current window ID means current window is this. So this will give us the current window ID. I am giving you parent. Okay. There is one more method. That method is known as the uh, get window handles, and this will return all the windows ID as a set, a string. Okay, win IDs. If I print this, then we will get. Okay, so if I print this, then we will get two window, right? Two windows ID. Let me run this. So its size will two. Okay, but I'm using here the text. Get the text. Let me comment this and show you how many windows ID we will get. Yeah, you can see two. And if I will not click on this locator. Okay, so what I will get? So these windows, Selenium will consider the windows only which browser is opened by the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so now in that case, currently I will get one window ID, one ID, because there is one window. And if I click on this button, then we will get two window ID. Okay, two IDs. Okay. Now next, how we switch on this window, this particular window. Okay, so this is the set of string. We can use here the iterator object. Sorry, iterator class object. Iterator string. So I am going to use the iterator object and then Windows ID dot iterator. Okay, java.util, and then I can run the while loop. While has next. Okay, then we can get the ID bin ID equal to iterator dot next. Okay, so now we need to switch on the window. How we switch on the window? We can use the driver dot switch to dot window, and here we can pass the window ID like this. Okay, so this will switch on the child window. So this will iterate, because the first index we will get the parent ID, second index we will get the child ID, and this will switch on but child window. And after that, after switching the window, if I call this locator, find element, and then getting the text, this will work. Okay, now you can see I am able to retrieve the text. So first of all, and now again, if I want to return back on the parent window, so what I need to do? So this will work or not? So again, I'm going to get the text. Okay, this. Let me. Okay, let me read this text, and so we can get or not. Driver dot find element by dot css selector, then dot get text. This one, string text. Okay, so now you can see I'm getting the error, no such element exception. This element is not appeared. Okay, why I'm getting this? Because when I switch on the child window, at that time our control is on child window. Okay, I have not written back on the parent window. So if you want to again go and check, get some values, or if I want to do anything on the parent window, then we need to switch from child to parent window. Okay, how we switch that? We can we I have already stored the parent window id, and then again I can use the driver dot switch to dot window id, and I have already stored the id. We can call use that variable. Okay, so again I am going to switch on the parent window, and then we can get the text of the parent window page. Yeah, you can see I am able to get the text. Now this is working. So how we switch, how we handle the multiple windows, okay, in Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver provide two methods. One is the get window handles. This will give us the current window ID, okay, and the get window handles. This will return us the list set of all windows ID. Okay, we can iterate and we can stitch on any particular window by using ID. Okay, and then we can perform any action verification, all those steps what we want to execute, and that particular window we can execute. And if you want to return back again, so we can return to the parent window by using the parent window id which I have already stored. Okay, so in this way we can switch, and for the switching we can call the driver dot switch to then window, and here we can pass the window id. You can see window name or handler we can pass, and then we can switch. Okay, so hope this will help you to get understanding like what is the concept of windows handling. So same concept you will use for different tabs. When you click on any buttons, links, and it is opening a new tab, you can use this method, this concept to switch on particular window. Okay, thanks for watching the video.